Hello everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how to create handwriting animation with GIMP. In case you're wondering what font I'm using, it is called Simpletune, free for personal use. As you can see on the right, I have created two layers. One is background and the other is text layer. We're going to reduce opacity of the text layer to about 50%, and we're going to create a new transparent layer that will be our first frame. But before we start working on our first frame of the animation, we have to make a few more preparations. We're going to use a paintbrush tool, and we need to set the size of the brush, type of the brush we're going to use, and the opacity. We're going to use this brush. Opacity will be 100%, and the size depends on the thickness of the letters. In this case, the right size is about 10 pixels. Now go back to the layers. We're going to select text layer, right click on the text layer and go to Alpha 2 selection. Zoom in on the layer so you can see better what you're doing. And now we're going to start applying the color, and make sure that you selected the top layer that will be our first frame for the animation. For the first frame, we are going to color till about right here. And then we're going to create the second frame of the animation. And to do that, press Shift key and left click on Create New Layer. That will create new transparent layer. And we're going to proceed coloring for our second frame. And then third frame, and so on. We're gonna keep doing this until we complete the animation. Depending on the size of the letter, one letter should have from 3 to 5 frames. Alright, so I'm not going to color all the letters. This is enough to show you how it's done. So now I'm going to proceed with the production of the animation. Let's see how it looks so far. Go to Layers, Animation, and select Playback. Play the animation. The text layer, as you can see, is still visible, what we're going to delete it, and let's see how it looks without text layer. Now let's play animation once again to see how it looks like so far. Alright, so if you were satisfied with how the animation looks like, you can proceed to exporting it. Go to Export As. You can choose whatever name you want, but the extension must be GIF. After that, go to Export. Make sure that GIF comment is unchecked. Also make sure As Animation is checked. Loop Forever, you can leave it checked or unchecked. Also you can set your frames. In my case I will leave it to 10 milliseconds and then click on Export. And we're done. Now I will show you the final result. Thanks for watching.